Assembly operators have different levels of skills and experience for specific tasks. Adapting the content of the work instructions to the operator's level of skills can lead to significant gains in performance and quality. Therefore, Arkite added an adaptivity module to its HIM platform. This module, however, requires operators to identify themselves when using the system. This is where privacy issues throw a spanner in the works, as they often block the adoption of these personalized digital work instructions. At Flanders Make, we've developed a tool that can automatically and dynamically detect the level of skills of operators for each individual task that they perform and adjust the work instructions accordingly, solely based on detections of the Arkite Human Interface Mate, HIM. With our profile classification system, we reach an accuracy of 95% compared to the current classification method used by Arkite. The main advantage is that the operator does not have to identify himself, but still receives adapted work instructions according to his level of skills.